Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to enable the Sprite Editor window. As you can see, I have a sprite sheet here, and when I try to open the Sprite Editor window, I get this message. It says, no Sprite Editor window registered, please download 2D Sprite Package from the Package Manager. So to do that, you will go to Package Manager. You can open this window also from the window, and here you will see Package Manager. When you click it, you will get this. Unfortunately, when you try to see that, you don't see that 2D Sprite package here. So the key is to click here and click all. And now, if you look around, you will see that 2D Sprite. And you click install. And you wait for it to install. Once it's installed, then it should work. And as you can see, it's just working. There you go. So now it's done. Let's click our sprite, and when you click that Sprite Editor, there you go. Now you can see the Sprite Editor window. So that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.